Aboriginal distant land from the from min to farmers no kuna min to farmers no kuna ana musa so aboriginality aborigines so it is okay country an chengo khan ke pandon ja ba ke sa bit to hile episode to the aboriginal sen tenjo ki banglang ga ki su chong nam chu be buke with the tension of the way law or agreement buke so that agreement all the leading to ya kat Ibrahim Create abscond to go away suddenly and secretly in order to escape function. Abscond to go away suddenly. Khana ko na gang chala jam do mun khana. Absurd, widely unreasonable, illogical or ridiculous. Kitang ilom low, widely unreasonable. Accelerate nila speed increase non. Acceleration. The kilo here. Yes, bro. Incomplete accolade. Any award, honor, or laudatory notice. Accolade. Award khat. Honor khat ni lole. Sabah support ata. Ingi. Accolade any award, honor, or laudatory notice. A person who shall another to commit a crime to do something morally wrong. Thilha in Kithopi also. Complicating accord behavior so consistent with thilha to na consistent accord agreement harmonious and consistent accord accountant a person who account ko itu mo accountant kiti acerbic subbitter or harsh in temperature in temper language etc acerbic subbitter zoom ham kha ham zoom langpang pau langpang acoustic kiti science study or scientific study of sound gilta kisim kiti na sa didanya pad acoustic guitar pi hot ang padidan equate to decide and state officially in court that somebody is not guilty kuna mi khat thil se bro he puiti chu phunding ting equate acrobat to PM and then who perform difficult physical acrobat thil entertainer lola performer ho thil aha perform abola acronym acrobat kiti so acrobat acronym initial letters of other words pronounceable and abbreviation from the initial letters of other words and an abbreviation letter dang ho akona kilado pronounce kibol acronym hindi dan acrophobia chu thila sang kitsa le acrophobia ki didan actionable giving cause for legal actionable action legal ta cause keeping actionable activate make a machine active or operative activate to on voltage machine can active or operative kipathu equipment the ability to make good judgment and take quick decisions submission accuracy of judgment equipment to noun verb adjective dan verb action or expression make a machine active or active equipment and noun dugu thil khat ga het theme thei nung chala decision hoi ta ga la thei kiti chu equipment edik kiti chu physically dependent on something chu bol ngai bol te la ta la thei lo thil khat ho hi lo pilam pangham ta santing la sun eder kiti adul sen la hung khalit poverty la adulthood ki ka chu I think noun adonition noun adorable noun an animal, an extremely beautiful young man. Khang dong me hoi ta chu Adonis kiti adorable chavet nom nom adulterate to make impure by adding inferior substances. Nuya ating lo ho to kihal. Nuya ating lo ho to kihala. Anoija ating lo ho to kihal so adventurous, willing to take risks and try new idea. Adventurous tile adjective. Why adjective? Adventurous adjective chuile oyo sa pichaya ho silitan. Thilha risk la nom le thilha tha try nom ji ho. Advocate chile person's perspective. Advocate ni le a person who support or speak in favor of something. Mi khat support na lo le favor ga pan pina pa ho cha advocate kiti aerial le ahing akhang ahing lo le huila mo aerial kiti. Aesthetic, aesthetic guitar, aesthetic music, aesthetic with climate concern with the beauty or the appreciation. Hoi lang pang de dan agenda hele agenda hai meeting at discuss ki polling ho sa agenda aggrandize position importance speeding position lo le dam the na vel lang pa noun de dan aggrandize to increase the importance or position of well. To increase the importance or position of health. Aggrandize. Aggressive, always ready to attack or quarrel. Aggressive, follow. Me attack ding gozing. Di ho agnostic. Pathin tasan momong ho agnostic kiti agony kiti tingla instrumental or physical. Agony kiti tingla instrumental or physical sufferings. Mental low like physically suffering. Agony mentally like physically adam ho na ni ho so agony kiti album. Album ho nang album for keeping collection of photo. Album kiti chu lim ho stam ho lo le photograph mo koi khom na cho hi alchemy study of medieval fashion, study of chemistry in medieval fashion. Gulula style chemistry kisim cho alchemy. Algacite, substance for algacite. Pesticide tile peso thana algacite kitile algae thana. Algophobia tile phobia ki chanin algoe le nat pin le dan. Ai cho algophobia hi fear of pain kiti thela. Algophobia phobia hi fear algo chu pain. Alien, a person belonging to a foreign country different from what you are used to. Danga ko na hong hi lo la kitang ho cho alien kiti. Alimony, the money paid to a former or partner. The former when the marriage is in the money paid to former wife, husband or partner. Cái chuyện hắn chỉ khiến hắn tiếng lẽ pasal pan na may no sum api. Aji luin mo api cho alimony kiti. Allegory, history, play, picture, etc. in which its character event is a symbol. Story. Its character is a symbol. Words that begin with which is chapter or event is a symbol. A story represents this symbol na kitong alliteration. Words that begin with the same color, syllable, or sound. Repetition of an initial sound on two or more words of line. Alluvium, solve the paper. Gu hung zu alo le. Tu yung su ting le. Lei ahin sep do ho pa ho alluvium. Alluvial sol. Which atu ko alluvium sol giti. Alliteration, words that begin with same letter, syllable, or sound. Sound ke bang same letter hi lo le. Avel vela ke say ni ve tham be ho alliteration ki example la jo relation with them a e I o u sound hol e I o. A sound or correlation which one has been dictated. Alma mater, the school or college. Alma mater, ni khat theme jila education in to alma mater. Almanac to a publication containing astronomical, meteorological, and organizational containing a publication almanac to news weather lang pang ho information ang jaw le chu almanac kiti dada nei alpinism hile mol culture alpine tik kiti le ga mola ho kali ane alpine na kal tile mang bas kal ho chunung kilo timin alter kiti le table of let's very from it ti pathin ho mai thi table pathin ho na ho alter kiti ding dan hi altimeter hi le land surface altitude measure na so altimeter altitude hi le tui na sea level ako na chunglang se altitude kiti altruist kiti le one make charitable intended to welfare of altruist chu someone who make charitable donation mi phat chum dinga bol ho altruist kiti altruist company jong men BPO company alumnus a former operation alumnus kiti tingla a former student of a school alumnus kiti tingla school ham college ham na kai lui mi khat alumnus kiti alumni de ti tingla na kai lui se ki mo to ni na chu hum hi de da ni ami chu helang ol he hopeless for pleasure ami chu de la ngol he na ki het ba nga chu to professor chingjep lo la jong not well neither well experienced no professional ilo la other chu la profession ta chi sanga no sa na lang punga yo ni ho cha met amexophobia chu la riding amexophobia chu kara tolding ki cho amexophobia chu algophobia chu la pin na ga thu ding de thelo ho chu amephobia diplomatic representative ambassador country can represent ball house ambassador ambidextrous able to use the left hand ambidextrous khut ve lang ve klong zit klong ni nya mang khom the ho chu ambidextrous sitting ambience le dan chu atmosphere the ambience of this hotel is very nice ambiguous capable of being understood in either of two or more possible sense and therefore not definite either of two or more capable of being understood had two or more possible sense and to definite poetic having showing both ambivalent having or showing both good and bad feeling ambivalent feeling phalo with such ambivert one who has the quality like shyness and open cha hi wang ga kam tam kit ti ho cha ambivalent to having also ambivalent to showing good le bad feeling ambivert to le cha to ngam ko mo amble nom ta man chi na va amble ameliorate make something better on unsatisfactory but thilha phalo kha chu phat chum sa thele ameliorate how to ameliorate kiti de amenable readily reacting to a suggestion and influence that is willing to guide it for control and reacting to suggestion and influences within amenable min ipui huiding hello le min suggestion khat an bol la open ta ga nei so amenable amicable so hele someone who is friendly and good in nature need ngai hi na mi pho amicable. My friend is very amicable. Amicably in a friendly and peaceful manner. A partial or total loss of memory amnesia. An official pardon, the formal act of amnesty, liberating someone not following animal service like immoral animal that can live both on land amphibians okay the immoral not following any moral to hile kill na thei immoral to hile kill na thei lo ho kill na thei lo ho di ham di lo ham ti ang focus lo ho immoral hile ki impede person has one or more limbs removed a limbs highlighted it a limbs so khat pen akila ado ho anagram a word or phrase formed by rendering different word dang in goma word in code or pas anagram analogies is in the life feature analogy kilo hiyo on comparison ki both analysis le wholesale analysis hele energies koi tabang lo hi lo le government not necessary ti ho cho analysis ki ti energy le when there is no government order energies le lo government ta san lo energies le government am lo ting government manipulation energy anatomy nasan or concern with body structure of anatomy hele science lampang study human body study building and kor hele radio le television ho to say le by home apang and sin la gululay anecdote about real person as well to mi khat hin khota ta thusim num ta chu anecdote iti anesthetic medical specialist who administer drugs for relieving pain during surgery like a weak old man. Nearly animosity, a strong dislike or animosity between Hindus and Muslims. Strong dislike or hostility, animosity, annihilate to destroy something thilha sumang. I will annihilate the kingdom. A strong dislike or a strong dislike or hostility. Kilung no moto na kide moto na gap to animosity. Anniversary to le kum masa thil na ki bol ang ran ki ting la cho kum kha jawa ang ran le anniversary kiti annuity some fix some pin and hele annuity annually le kum kha kiti ta annuity kiti le kum khana fix some equipaging ho cho anomaly departure from common rule wala ko na va amang thilha kang anonymous amin khelo point home khan ong ki ji amin asei nom lo le je point ji pa cha ne to lo le anonymous ki ti de anorexia obsessive desire to lose weight by refusing to eat anorexia gonom je abu ne lo ho anthology a collection of stories that has been written the anthology thusim la sa na ki cham khom ho cho anthropologist mi ti hong ki sim ham ti ho anthropology che le mi ti hong ki sim ho anthropology che le one who studied the evolution of humankind anthropologist to hele anthropology the one who mi hung dan mi him jan ham mi him hale ko na hung ham anthropology che hele mi him le se chunga hung ki jil dan anthropology che hele mihim kipatdan mihim custom culture development lampang anticipate ni le kafe paging ni antidote ni le lowa tinga dam doi antipathy ki le mini ki mu da to antiquarina le when who study or deal antiquate thing antiquate chui pe hamla ka point hum khat long za deal a bol ji han antithesis adi ilo opposite ta red white white black antonym to le opposite synonym ki ti la chun similar apartheid ti le africa ga ma na so mi va mo ke mu da ho cha apartheid ki ti apartment ile resident a set of room forming one resident a set of rooms forming one room in zan ham khana chan residence form resident to apartment apathic so feeling no apathic the feeling of being apathic showing or feeling no interest na low apathy like the feeling of not being interested interest low official low hospital to aphasia hi le pau thelo medical problem ja appear a place where be are keep appear ya ha hong ji ko sana appear to aviary to be aviary to van leng lampang la kilo ban leng hi lo la ba sa pula sai jang ai dam ki thum 120 gauge semutin na paute apostasy to the state of having rejected your religious belief or your political party or a cause. A person who renounces apostate. Sino apostasy how lampangan taasan to reject law le di ta puitian gale apostasy apostate to le person who renounces a religious belief to apostasy le apostate ne apostasy as ho lampanga reject na bol apostate as ho lampanga accept na bol so de dan he a pioneer of reform apostle Paul movement reform pathian tu lang ho lampang lang politically lang la thil reform bol so apostle chan video che chai tan te alright then that's my pencil jing ting continue ke tau te